Well, hello, and welcome again to FEFT and more. Fantastic fluency English tips and more with Charles. English fluency tips, I might add. Well, today our English fluency tips are going to be along the line of how to say things in a short way. This is actually meant to enhance your listening skills so that you can hear and understand what native speakers are saying. If it was written out, you would have no problem understanding it, of course. However, although it's written out in full sentence form, the way we say it makes it difficult to understand sometimes. So I want to help with honing listening skills today for sentences that are said not real quickly necessarily, but in a very natural, native English speaking flow that doesn't go so slow sometimes. So bear with me now, and I'll give you a few sentences here to give you the practice you need for honing your listening skills. Let's jump right into it. So if you look here at the board, I'll give a sentence, and the first sentence is, the first shortcut for shortcuts is, he cleaned his car. Easy to understand, isn't it? And of course, if you say, he cleaned his car, anybody would understand. However, many people would not say it so very clearly when they're talking about a person who cleaned his car. In other words, the shortcut would be more like this. He cleaned his car. He cleaned his car. You see that sentence there? Although it's all written out, the H in his is deleted there. Let's go to another one now. She washed her windows. You see there? She washed her windows. Yep. Well, let's do the shortcut version. She washed her windows. She washed her windows. You caught that, I'm sure. You see how it's connected. Not really spoken so very fast, but it's all connected, shortened, and the H in her is deleted also and connected with the washed her, you see? And the D, the washed, is reduced to washed. I'll say that again for you. She washed her windows. Let's go to the next one, shall we? Let's see here. They are going to come here soon. They are going to come here soon. They're gonna come here soon. Well, here the H is softened. It's not completely deleted like it is in the previous sentence, but you can see here that want to, or I'm sorry, they are going to is almost a completely different word, isn't it? Listen to how going to is said gonna. There, they are is there shortened. We contract it there. Going to, gonna. Come here soon. Come here. Many people will say come here. When it's all connected anyway, if you say it separately in different phrases, of course you would not say ear, you'd say hear clearly, but we're connecting it for easy understanding in shortcuts. Remember, that's what we're studying, shortcuts. Native speakers and the way they say things in a shortened or connected way. I'll say that sentence for you again. First, in the fully written and clearly spoken form, they are going to come here soon. Let's shorten that. They're gonna come here soon. They're gonna come here soon. They're gonna come here soon. All right, let's go on. Now, I want to go with the want to version of going to now. We don't want to go to the store. I'm sure you could understand that, anybody that said it that way, or if you're reading it. But listen to this. We don't want to go to the store. We don't want to go to the store. We don't want to is wanna. Go to is go to. It's like a really soft D. Don't go duh, but say go to the. You connect all those like it's all one word. Yeah, go to the. Let's do that again. We don't want to go to the store. Shortened version, we don't want to go to the store. We don't want to go to the store. Did you practice that? Well, practice that, and as you practice saying it that way, even if you don't say it perfect, that's no problem, but get your ears trained to listening to shortcut English. We cut it down to where it's like almost all one word. So tell me, do you want to go to the store? Do you want to go to the store? You can ask that way, or you can give information that way. So these were tips for your English fluency listening skills today. Do look at the playlist for other tips on prepositions, phonetics, and connecting words. Lots of them on the playlist there. Please check them out and find the ones that meet your journey, the spot you're in at your journey and your English fluency. Well, we had an English crash course English camp the other day, and it was so good. We had 7 high school and junior high school students together practicing and learning in English, and it was really, really fun. Check it out at www.fantasticakiowa.com, and I'll see you there. Come on over for an English event sometime. Love to be chatting with you. Over and out for now. And remember to give us likes, subscribe, tell a friend about it, and turn on your notifications. See you on the next one. And please take care. Bye now.